Friends, today we discuss about the mechanism of DNA replication. It's before we already explained to you about the DNA or its structure. So now today we discuss about the replication. So replication means the process in which DNA makes own copy. Okay. So replication means the process in which DNA make its own copy. So that process is called the DNA replication. Okay. This replication event occur during the cell division. Okay. This event means DNA replication occur in S phase of the cell division. Okay. Cell division consists G0 phase, G1 phase, S phase, G2 phase. This is the cycle. This is the cell. So this cycle consists many phases. This is a G1 phase, S phase, G2 phase, or this is the interphase. Okay. So replication of the DNA occur in the S phase, which is known as the synthesis phase. Okay. So before understanding about the replication, okay. So now explaining the replication, first we discuss some important enzymes which is used in the replication of the DNA. Okay. So first enzyme we discuss about the helicase enzyme. Helicase enzyme. This enzyme cut the bonds of the DNA. Okay. So this helicase enzyme cut the DNA bonds. With the help of cut the DNA bonds, we can say hydrogen bonds which is present between the nitrogen bases. These bonds, with the help of these bonds, two polynucleotide chains held together. Okay. So these bonds, firstly, these bonds are cut with the help of an enzyme is called the helicase enzyme. Okay. After this enzyme, another enzyme we use which is called the topoisomerase enzyme. Topoisomerase enzyme. Okay. This enzyme remove the coiling of the DNA. We know DNA is a coiled structure. So this enzyme help to removal the coiling of the DNA. Okay. This enzyme help to removal of the coiling of the DNA. First we write here, cut the hydrogen bonds. Cut hydrogen bonds. Hydrogen bonds. Okay. Or this remove the coiling of the DNA. Remove the coiling of DNA. Okay. So topoisomerase enzyme remove the coiling of DNA. Coiling of DNA. And next enzyme which is called the primase enzyme. Okay. Primase enzyme. This is the primase enzyme. So primase enzyme help to synthesis of small strand RNA. Okay. Synthesis the small strand RNA. Small strand RNA which is called primase. Okay. Then another enzyme which is present, this is called the DNA polymerase enzyme. This polymerase enzyme have ability to reading the template. Okay. DNA polymerase read the template. Very important enzyme. Read template. Always 3' to 5 direction. This is a very important line of the replication. DNA polymerase read the template always 3 to 5 direction, and newly synthesized chain always, or new chain synthesize always 5 dash to 3 direction, 5 dash to 3 direction. Okay, so these are the important hormone, these are the important enzymes which help in the DNA replication. Okay, so understand it, how DNA replicates. So see with the help of diagram. So first we draw here diagram of the DNA. This is the structure of the one strand of DNA. And this is the second strand of the DNA. One minute. Okay, this is the structure of DNA. Of this DNA consists nitrogen bases. This is the structure of the DNA. Okay, one strand of this DNA, direction of one strand of this DNA. Suppose this is a one strand. So this direction is here 3 dash, so this come on this place, this direction will be 5 dash, or direction of this chain is here 5 dash, so this place will be 3 dash. Okay, this is the DNA of this DNA. You will write here also A, P, G, C, A, T. Okay, you labeled this diagram also, this adenine or thymine bound by the 2 hydrogen bond, and guanine or cytosine is joined with the 3 hydrogen bond. So in this structure, firstly helicase enzymes come. Okay, helicase enzymes come to the near the hydrogen bonds, and this enzyme cut the hydrogen bonds. This is the helicase enzyme. This is the helicase enzyme. Okay, so first this helicase enzyme cut the DNA, and this DNA open into a zip-like structure. Okay, this DNA is open, look like a zip-like structure when helicase enzyme is cut to the DNA. So this DNA is open. Okay, and okay, so we write here its name is here. It is the helicase enzyme. This is the helicase enzyme. First we write here because helicase enzyme. Okay, this is a helicase enzyme. Understand here? Now, after cutting the DNA, then another enzyme is attached to this place, which is called the topoisomerase enzyme. Okay, this is a topoisomerase enzyme. This place attached topoisomerase enzyme which remove the coiling of the DNA. This is a topoisomerase enzyme. Okay, topoisomerase enzyme, and the place where 3 dash. Okay, and the 3 dash place primase enzyme form the primer is a small strand DNA, small strand of RNA. Okay, this primer is always attached to the 3 dash point of the DNA, 3 dash point of this is the primer, 3 dash point, or this change 3 dash is a this place to this place RNA primer is attached. Okay, this is the primer. This is called the primer. Okay, or this is the template of DNA. This is the template. Template. This is the also template. Also template. Okay, and when the primer is attached to the 3 dash point of the DNA, okay, then one another enzyme is attached to this place. This enzyme is called DNA polymerase enzyme. Okay, this enzyme is called the DNA polymerase enzyme. Okay, or this template consists many nucleotides. You know, this DNA consists many nucleotides. So when or this DNA, I already explained to you that DNA always read the template in 3 to 5 direction. You should be learned every time. Okay, so when this DNA polymerase move from this place to this place, it easy to read. It can easy to read on the template because same direction 3 dash to 3 direction. So this place continuous chain is synthesized. This place continuous chain is synthesized, or this continuous chain is called this is the continuous chain is synthesized, or this continuous chain is called the leading strand. This is called the leading strand. Leading strand. No confusion, because DNA have a capability to read the nucleotide in always 3 to 5 direction. So this DNA polymerase have no any problem to reading. Therefore, new chain is synthesized 5 dash to 3 direction. This is the 5 dash direction, or this is the 3. This means this primer is attached to the 3 dash end of the DNA, but new chain is synthesized on the new chain is synthesized 5 dash to 3 dash direction, and this chain is called the leading strand. Okay, in the other strand, where this DNA polymerase move from 3 dash to 5 dash direction. So this place move here 5 dash to 3 dash direction, but here this DNA polymerase read always 3 to 5 direction. So this DNA polymerase have create a problem in a reading. Therefore, on this place, new DNA chain, is synthesized in a fragments. New chain is synthesized in a fragments, small fragments, or these small fragments is called These small fragments are called the Okazaki fragments. These small fragments is called the Okazaki fragments. Okay, or these Okazaki fragments are also known as the lagging strand. Okay, and the direction of this chain will be, direction is the 5 dash 3, this will be the 3 dash 3. So this is the replication of the mechanism of the replication of the DNA. Okay, thank you students.